have the M or M and W and the N next to it. The M, it seems to be as if this is about water, where H was air, this is water. It's a bit too simple to say that. No, it's not about water, but it's one of the qualities of water. It's about mass. So mass is also a material, but the mass has a certain quality. The mass of water has a certain quality. So even if we take again a frame, this M is within the frame. It keeps itself together. So that's the same thing as with H, but it has the tendency to go outside its frame, to go outside its borders. It doesn't happen with H. You can only access it inside and further inside the borders. Here it is not, it is trying to extend. So it is a different way of thinking.